Display size. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 6.73 inches. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 6.7 inches. Display resolution. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 1440 into 3200 pixels, with 522 ppi density. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 1344 into 2992 pixels, with 489 ppi density. Display type. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is LTPO AMOLED. Google Pixel 8 Pro is LTPO OLED. Display protector. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Operating system. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, HyperOS. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Android 14. Chipset. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Google Tensor G3. Processor. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is octa-core processor. Google Pixel 8 Pro is nonacore processor. GPU. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Adreno 740. Google Pixel 8 Pro is Immortalis G715S MC10. RAM. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 12 GB and 16 GB. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 12 GB. ROM. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Front camera. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 32MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 10.5MP ultra-wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 50MP wide, 50MP telephoto, 50MP periscope telephoto, and 50MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 50MP wide, 48MP telephoto, and 48MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Google Pixel 8 Pro is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 5000 mAh battery, with 90W fast charging. Google Pixel 8 Pro is 5050 mAh battery, with 30W fast charging. Spec winner.